In today's episode, we're going to show you how we made this awesome tabletop aquarium fountain, and we're going to get started now. Hey bud, what you got?
A fish.
A new fish?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to show you how we made that fish today, okay?
Okay.
Hi, my name's Jobuffalo, and if you want to improve your relationship by doing things you love to do with people you love to do them, then you're in the right spot. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Hey Leo, what do you say we go downstairs in the patio and get this build started?
Okay.
Let's go. And here are the supplies you're going to need in order to build this tabletop fountain aquarium. First, you're going to need a heat gun or a blow dryer, a saw, a hot glue gun, some rocks for the bottom of our fountain for the aquarium, tape measure, scissors, a flexible tube, a PVC clear tube, some lighting for the bottom, a pump, some clear bowls and a clear cup. Yes, that's plastic. And some plants and a fish. Oh, and absolutely going to need some water. Let's go get this build started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is measure out our clear acrylic pipe to 11 inches because we took it, measured it from the pump, and going up about 11 inches makes it look reasonable and won't create a big splash once we get our pump and water working. So we get it to 11 inches, give it a little mark. And now we're going to cut it. Okay, so after we've got our 11-inch piece pipe measured out, in order for this to fit, you can see it's kind of tight, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to heat this end up so it'll make it nice and soft. We'll then push this in here to create like a mold around it, take it right out right away, and it'll create a nice seal for it. And just like that, it now fits our adapter for our pump. And there we got the pipe and the adapter and the pump all ready to go. Now we're going to go ahead and use the heat gun to make a shape on the cup. So what we did was we took about a 2-inch piece from the remainder of the pipe. I took a Sharpie to hold it so we don't burn our hands. And now we're going to heat up the cup to make the form of the pipe. Really cool stuff. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and assemble the bottom of our fountain. First we have the rocks that we washed, and we also have this light that I picked up off of Amazon. They come in a 2-pack. And then we have our pump that we're going to go ahead and place inside. So we'll go ahead and place the pump to either side, but next to the edge, so that once we build our cup floating above, it'll all fit within inside the circle. What's really cool about these lights is they have suction cups on them, so they'll stick to the bottom of our plastic bowl. And then we're going to go ahead and just put rocks all around this. Go ahead, Leo. Put some rocks inside there. You having fun? There you go. Fill it up, bud. After several failed attempts by using the glue, we've decided to make this build less expensive. Now, the cup just sits there to show the illusion that it's dumping the water into the fountain. So you can move the cup away. Amazing. Always entertaining. Now we're gonna go ahead and put in the, see the water coming down. So cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the plants and the fish and finish this up. Alright, now we have all the plants planted. Another good idea that we did not use the glue, we're going to put a betta fish in there so there won't be any toxic chemicals in there with our fish. Let's go get our betta, place them in. And there you have it, everybody. We finished our aquarium fountain tabletop. We did put a little bit of this water treatment in for our betta friend. So, this is the part of the video, if you like what you see, go ahead and smash that like button. Also, if you're not already doing it, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Let's show you what this thing looks like in the dark. And there it is, a new home for a new pet. And until next week, I'm Jobuffalo, and we're always entertaining.